Hello and welcome to Forex Trading Authority. This is Chris Conundro introducing you today the Forex Flash trading system. Now the Forex Flash trading system has been around for some time. It's a system that has been able to churn out profits over time using a particular type of swing trading setup. There are no indicators involved. That means there are no moving averages, no Bollinger Bands, oscillators, whatever, fractals, you name it. It's just price. And we're just taking a price chart and trading it. But of course there are particular rules to trading this system. And basically what I wanted out of this system when I developed it several years ago was a method that could take advantage of quick momentum. I wanted to get involved in trades that were going to happen now, or be very likely to move now. Why? Well, who doesn't want to make money right away? All right. So also, I wanted to get involved in price momentum, and I needed a particular trigger for that momentum, and I found it. So this system is about that. As you scroll down the page, you can see the performance results. Now, these results are based off the actual system. That means that these are the signals the system gives, and this is a more accurate representation of what you'd be looking at when you purchase the system. In terms of this is what you're purchasing, you want to know when the system tells you where to get in and where to get out, and so we can scroll through these trades here, and you'll see. Now, you'll see a mixture of winning and losing. You'll see streaks of winning, and you'll see patches of losses. All right, but the bottom line is, what are we going to make? Okay, of course, I'm not trying to say what you will make, because you can't say that in trading, can you? Right? If you've been in the markets, you can't say you're going to make this or that, because you have no idea what the behavior of the Forex pair is going to be in the future. It could be moving fast, could be behaving smoothly, could be erratic, could be choppy. It's just gonna vary. And with a swing type of system, we want smooth price movement that has lots of follow through. Of course, that's an ideal time. And you'll see that, for example, you'll see runs such as this, smooth, high momentum, and you'll see mostly winning during those times. But sometimes it gets erratic and the market doesn't know where to go. And you'll see these times, all right? And, you may look at these and say, oh, it's terrible. No, it's not. All right? So you know why it's not terrible? It's because if you have a system that has been able to net out over the years, year after year, several thousand pips a year, then that system is a what? It's a net profitable system, at least historically speaking. So if each trade has a positive, if the system has a positive result, then each trade in that system has a positive average per trade, doesn't it? Yes, because you take all the trades and divide it into the total. But the thing is, in trading, no one really knows for sure exactly what's going to happen. Now we can sense that, due to probability, instinct, and just pattern, that a Forex pair is going to go. It's going to most likely move and have some good follow through, particularly in a breakout of a consolidation, for example. But we can't know for sure. You know what I'm saying? So therefore, if we have a profitable system, we simply take every trade, because every trade has a positive profitable average. Every trade, even these right here, are profitable trades. Even these right here, these are profitable trades. How can you say that? Well, if you're going to take all the trades, each trade, again, has a profitable average. So, in order to trade a system well, you take all the trades and you don't think too much about it. Now, the key is it's going to be your money management. Now, of course, if you're going to enter and you're going to enter right starting on this trade and have a whole bunch of these in a row, enter right into a really tight, choppy place, which most beginners probably will. You'll wait till you'll get in right after the big runs and then after the market, because that's how you get emotionally excited, and then you dive right into a consolidation period because that's it feels emotionally safe, and so you usually start off and get stuck in these losing starts, and so that explains a lot of things for a lot of people right there. That'll help you out. So I have more information on this and other courses, but and make sure you join our newsletter. All right, I go through that in the Winning in Forex series. Getting out of a losing streak and becoming a consistent winner. Anyway, so I want you to cover this because you're going to go through phases, and I just want to. This has been a recent topic. You need to simply mindlessly do the money management position size for each trade. Don't think about it. If you are worried about your trade, then your position size is too big. How about that? How about that for a money management system? It's not really a system, but it's a mentality that will help you, because if you are too worried about your trade, A, your position size is too big, or B, you didn't put your stop loss in. Remember, this is Forex. These are not options, long options. If you don't put your stop loss in, you're going to eventually be screwed. So you put your stop loss in. It's in the system. It's easy. This is a system that trades a few minutes a night. All right, you're just checking every night. You have a new entry, move my trail stop, new entry, trail stop, that's it. And then you place your order, adjust your order, that's it. Okay, so that's once we trade the day bars. Okay, so anyways, you can scroll through the information on the rest of the page. This is not a robot. Don't ask me if it's software or a platform. I don't know why people keep asking that. This is a home study trading course. There's no mention of software or platform on here. And this is not a magical robot. This is a real trading system. All right. So, just think about the robots. If unless they're of extreme limited number being sold, if everyone's on the same side of the market trading a certain robot, how's it going to work? It's not until everyone, and if the system actually worked, it's only going to work again when everyone clears out of that system. Anyways, I thought I'd throw that in there. But it's time to it's time to graduate. This was what I call Forex 4.0. We've gone through different stages on a global scale. People have matured rapidly in this market. I think beyond now, options traders. I think Forex traders have rapidly matured, and it's pretty fascinating. And beyond stock traders, they're still stuck, 40 years ago. They're still buying into the same marketing hype and this and that. Now, Forex traders, probably because you had so much hype thrown at you, you saw so much hype so fast that you learned your lessons. All right, and that's been fairly recent, so you didn't have too much time to forget the lessons of the nonsense hype. Hey, you want to make money, all right? Making money, you have to trade a real system. All right, you can't go for 110% winning. Drop the whole winning percentage and start going for net profits. Follow the example of the turtle traders, Richard Dennis. Okay, what was his winning percentage? 40%? Anyways, point is that this is a home study course. It's a great system that has proven itself over time. and it'll be fun for many of you to trade. So if you're not at this site, come to forextradingauthority.com and click on the Forex Flash logo. If you're here, then simply read more information on the page, and then send us your questions. We'll help answer your questions so you can make a good purchase, so you can feel good about your purchase. Make sure you read our terms and conditions. This is not ClickBank, okay? So this is a real trading system. So if you're wanting to enter Forex 4.0, as I call it, where it's now real trading, then and beyond the hype, then you can get started today. And thank you very much.